Welcome to Crafty Wafty!
Hi everybody, it's Debbie here from Crafty Wafty again, and today I thought I'd just show you something that we've just recently got into our shop, which is the Holtz Distress brushes. I absolutely love these. These are just so easy and cool to use, so I thought I'd just give you a quick little demo on what I do with these. So here I've got some distress ink. This is peacock feathers. And what I like about these is that with these brushes, you've got a nice, as you can see now, I've got the bit of the colour on the end there, but they've got a lovely, nice, straight bristles on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dab this into my ink, just on a little messy mat here. And what I like is that I can start off on the messy mat and then just bring it round, and just in circular movements, I can sort of edge my card. And it just gives a really nice, I don't know if you can see that, a really nice sort of soft look. And then depending on how much ink I put on, and that I'm just coming round and down there. So I absolutely love these brushes. But while I was using these brushes, and I'll be perfectly honest with you, right, is I've like, right, oh, okay, right, I've done what I needed to do. Right, I need to put the lid back on. I was sort of looking at it thinking, how am I going to get all the bristles? So I started holding it and I started trying to shove them in. And then I discovered that all you need to do here, very clever, Holtz, very clever, is you just pull up the little slidey mechanism bit in there. And look what it does. It tucks in all the bristles. And now I can pop that in. That secures it and just slide it in like so. And there we are, really, really simple design, but I was really worried about how I was going to get all the bristles into the lid. But Tim has obviously sorted that out and done it for us. So thank you very much. But as I said, we've now got these on the shop. So if you want to pop along to Crafty Wafty, you'll find them there.
So, let's get Crafty Wafty!